Welcome back to the Sacred Veil. I'm Silver Reina, your guide through realms of nature, spirit, and ancient wisdom. Today we're diving into something close to my heart, nature's magic. We'll explore how to bring the energies of Celtic witchcraft and Druid wisdom into our daily lives. In this episode, we'll connect with the magic of plants, the spirit of trees, and the cycles of nature. So grab a cozy spot, maybe a notebook, and let's journey into the sacred wisdom of nature together. Let's begin by talking about Celtic witchcraft and how it helps us connect with nature in a deep, meaningful way. Celtic witchcraft isn't just about rituals. It's about a living relationship with the elements around us. Earth, the grounding energy that stabilizes us. Water, the flowing emotional force that heals and nourishes. Fire, the energy of transformation, courage, and passion and protection. Air, the breath of life, clarity, and wisdom. In Celtic traditions, the elements are more than symbols. They're forces that shape our lives. When we connect with them, we're aligning ourselves with the rhythm of the world around us. One simple way to bring this into your day is by greeting each element as you go about your morning routine. For example, as you wash your face, acknowledge water and its ability to cleanse, heal, and refresh. Take a moment to pause and reflect on which element you feel the most connected to right now. Close your eyes, take a few breaths, and see which element calls you. Is it the stability of earth, the flow of water, the warmth of fire, or the lightness of air? Let the element guide you today. Now let's move into Druid wisdom and the sacred relationship Druids have with trees. In Druidry, trees aren't just plants. They're wise beings, teachers, and even protectors. Each tree holds a unique energy, from the oak's strength to the willow's flexibility. Oak, known as the king of the forest. The oak represents strength, endurance, and stability. If you're seeking guidance, courage, or resilience, oak is a wonderful tree to connect with. Rowan, often called protection tree. Rowan is believed to ward off negative energies and enhance psychic awareness. Willow, a tree of intuition and healing. The willow teaches us to bend with life's challenges and remain flexible. Excuse me. One way to connect with trees is through tree meditations or simply spending time with them. If you have access to a forest or even a single tree, place your hands on its bark and feel its energy. Trees communicate through stillness, and when we're quiet, we can hear their messages. Let's do a short meditation to connect with the spirit of a tree. If you can, close your eyes and imagine yourself in a forest. You're standing in front of a tree that calls to you. Feel its energy, its grounding presence, and let it share its wisdom with you. Breathe deeply. Feel its roots beneath the earth, and let its energy calm and steady you. When you're ready, open your eyes. If you felt something specific, maybe jot it down. It could be a message to guide you today. Now that we've connected with the elements and trees, let's talk about bringing these energies into our daily lives. You don't need an elaborate setup to connect with nature's magic. Small, mindful actions can be just as powerful. Start your day by acknowledging each element. Light a candle to honor fire. Drink water with gratitude. Step outside to breathe in the air. And maybe touch the earth if you can. Herbal magic. Incorporate herbs like rosemary for protection, lavender for calm, sage for clarity. You can keep these herbs at home. Most people have them. You can brew them into teas or use them in simple spells. For instance, as you drink lavender tea, set an intention for peace and relaxation. Now, let's talk about moon phases and seasons. In Celtic and Druidic traditions, the moon and seasons play a huge role. The new moon is a time for setting intentions, while the full moon is a time for celebration and reflection. Even noting the moon phase can help us feel more connected to the natural cycles around us. Grounding with nature. If you're feeling unbalanced, step outside, barefoot if possible. Feel the earth beneath you. The stability it offers. I'm sorry, I'm laughing because my dog is trying to make himself comfortable, and I know you probably hear that, and I apologize, but it's making me laugh. He's digging into his bed. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's continue. If you're feeling unbalanced, step outside barefoot if possible. Feel the earth beneath you, the stability it offers, and let it ground and center you. You can do this anytime you feel stressed or disconnected. Which of these practices resonates with you most? Maybe take a moment to note down one or two you'd like to try this week. The beauty of these practices is that they're simple yet powerful, helping us stay connected to nature even on busy days. I want to share a story about my own journey with nature's magic. There was a time when I felt really disconnected, and I think we all, at some point, feel really disconnected. I was overwhelmed by life's demands. I have a lot of things going on in life at times. I have a full-time job. I have a son who's ill. And so I have a lot of overwhelming things. So I was feeling disconnected and overwhelmed. One day I went into the forest, placed my hands on an oak tree, and just breathed with it. I could feel its strength, its deep roots, and it reminded me that no matter the storms I face, I'm connected to something greater. When we connect with nature, we're reminded that we're never truly alone. The trees, the elements, the cycles of nature. They're here to support and guide us if we listen. I want to thank you for joining me today on this journey through nature's magic. Remember, connecting with the magic of Celtic witchcraft and druidry doesn't require a lot of time or elaborate rituals, though it can. Small intentional practices bring us closer to the earth, help us feel grounded, and remind us of our own inner wisdom. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which practice you're excited to try, or if you have your own nature-based rituals you'd like to share. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more journeys into the mystical realms. Until next time, keep honoring the magic in nature, stay grounded, and remember, you are a part of this beautiful world. Blessed be. I also wanted to inform you that episode 3 is going to be a deity-based episode. I'm going to do episode 3 about the Morgan. So if you're interested in that, then please, again, like and share, comment, and stay tuned. Thank you.